Hello everyone, it's Hanny. The other day I made a tag, this one, from the scrap sampler, or the Happy Mail I got from Jackie. And then I said I'm going to make something with this stuff. Something black and white, and maybe some other pieces. I got this from Jackie too. I showed you in the previous video, this is what I sorted out, or chose. I don't know how you say that, but then I read this morning, I think, I read on the Facebook group of Kylie Koo and Nina Ribena, Mixed Media Emporium, something. Yeah, the Mixed Media Emporium. That the fourth prompt from the January prompt to make a journal with scraps and junk, to make a journal page. The first one was to make the journal cover, the second one was add signatures, the third one was make ephemera. I made this on camera, and I made a few other things before, which I put in the journal. I will put in the journal this stuff, but I want to make a journal page. That's the fourth prompt of January, and well, I think I'm going to do the first page, and I think I'm going to make a collage on this page with these scraps. I think I'm going to pull this page out like so I can work on a loose page. Well, this time I will speed up the video because well, I have to think and to put the pieces on there and just look how I want to have it, and I have to look how this is going to be. I think I'm going to glue a piece of this paper over there so that fits nice behind the lavender. So maybe I should take some marks. How do I do that? So that's the way it goes on it. So fold it. I can't see it, huh? Oh, here's a fold, and here is a fold. Here. So this area should be behind it, something like that. Maybe a bit higher, something like that. There I should glue that piece. So now I'm going to start. Enjoy watching.